up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play You Take Command of My Heart on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. This song you'll be in standard tuning with no capo. Chords you'll need are open, 2, 2, open, open, open. 2, open, 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 open. 3, 2, open, 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 open. 3, 3, 2, open, open, open. And 5, 5, 4, open, open, open. Once again, that's open, 2, 2. Like the rest of them, bring it open. Open, 2, 2. 1, open, open, open. 3, 2, open, 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 open. 3, 3, 2. Open, open, open. And 5, 5, 4. Open, 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 open. So it should sound like. Strumming pattern is just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, like. And then the last time it's so down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Up to speed, it should sound like. That's pretty much the whole song. There's one part at about 128 in the song. It goes. That's 7, 5, and 2 octaves. The other part goes.